Well, my friends, already I have cured many cases of allergic rhinitis, a very distressing disease, a very cumbersome disease, a very annoying disease. What is allergic rhinitis? I have repeatedly told in different classes, in different seminars, in different discussions, that it is an inflammatory of the respiratory system, nasal mucosa especially. So it is an inflammation of the nasal mucous membrane related to an allergy, most frequently immunoglobulin E related. So the immunoglobulin E, IgE, increases. It occurs seasonally or daily round the year. It is also called hay fever. It is also called hay fever. Hay means খড়। গম কাটার সময় খড়ের জন্যে প্রায় এরকম হাঁচি হতো, তার থেকেই সাহেবরা নাম দিয়েছে হে ফিভার। দ্য মেইন সিমটমস আর nasal discharge, in our medical term rhinorrhea, frequent sneezing, nasal mucosal congestion with nasal itching, and sometimes with itching of the eyes, ears or palate or throat, and partial loss of smell or hyposmia. Partial loss of smell or hyposmia. So allergic rhinitis, a very critical condition, a very embarrassing condition. Allergic rhinitis. Sometimes in severe chronic cases, there may be sleep disturbance also. Low-grade fever, headache, and depressed moods are sometimes may be seen. Symptoms generally aggravate in the early morning and at night, generally. So this is caused due to some allergens. বাইরের কিছু সাবস্ট্যান্স বা পদার্থের জন্য যেগুলো শরীরে রিয়াকশন করে, আমার শরীর নিতে পারে না, তার জন্যই যে যুদ্ধ বা হাতাহাতি, that is called allergic manifestations. The fighting between the defense mechanism of the body and the outer forces, chemicals or substances are known as allergens. The allergens are so responsible for this disease. Some important allergens are pollens from the trees, weeping fig, grasses, weeds, and other plants, such as mugwort, house dust, mice, cockroaches, dander, saliva secretion or urine of the cats, dogs, rabbit, rats, etc. Food allergen, egg, shellfish, brinjal, soybean, drumstick, etc. So along with medical treatment, some general measures to be taken. Avoid the allergens, especially avoid all kinds of allergens. If there is aggravation from the seawater, the sea bath should not be allowed. There are some foods, the foods are not allowed, etc. However, I have cured many cases, and this is the girl, aged about teens girls, aged about 17 years, a nice handsome girl, has been suffering from these allergic rhinitis for last 2 years. The symptoms are so confusing that our junior physicians are not being able to find out a selection of minimum medicine. The symptoms are gas is cold very easily, The physical appearance tall, lean, thin, emaciated, and handsome looking. Chilly patient, sheath basin, catches cold very easily, aversion to bread, thirst less, constipation. She is constipated. She is having irritable temperament. Weeping easily, emotional, and suppressive mentality. So there are many opinions, and none of our juniors are being able to confirm on single medicine. Some are telling sepia, some are telling natramure, some are telling natramure, some are telling tuberculinum, bacillinum, etc. Some are telling tuberculinum. So the selection is এই ছেড়ে দুটোকে চালাক আমার লাস্টের দাগানোর দিকে ধরে ফেলেছে natramure is the choice of medicine. But thirstless? কেন সেকেন্ডবারে ভাবতে পারি? The natramure patient may also be thirstless. Homeopathic drugs say some symptoms may be contradictory. If you go through the repertory, stomach thirstless, there is also natramure. So, anemic, aversion to bread, irritable temperament, weeping disposition, reserved mentality, suppressive mentality, emotional mentality, catches cold very easily, chilly patient. When all symptoms go in favor of natramure, only thirstless may not any matter, because the majority of symptoms are go in favor of natramure. Now, there is another important symptom of natramure I have observed. Those who are the persons having telling that natramure is the choice of medicine, can you tell me the peculiar next one? সবই তো আছে physical makeup, all along this teenage girl is sad, melancholic, indifferent looking. This is a symptom of natramure. This is a symptom of natramure. By my observation, what I have seen. What I have seen. Please open the Allen's keynote.
Fortnite masih sana itu.
All along I have seen this teenage girl is sad, depressed, and natramure is also medicine of a first grade. No mirthfulness, joyfulness, a little bit sadness and indifferent and depressed looking. This is a characteristic symptom of Natrum.